welcome back to the channel. My name is Akash and you're watching Tech Turbo 96. So today what we're gonna do is to install this number plate holder onto my bike, which as of now is running with a front sticker in the place of a number plate. This is a high security number plate, as you guys can see, and I have removed the original number plate mount from the motorcycle because it was not to my taste, as well as even on the aesthetic front, if I used to mount a camera on my tank, so that used to hinder the view from the front visor. So to address that issue, I have removed it from the original mount, and for now I was running the sticker. But as you guys know, high security number plates are a requirement nowadays, so I have gone ahead and ordered this from Amazon, but I ran into some trouble while installing it. You see, the problem I encountered was that this particular mount was not sticking onto its place. It could be because this is only mounted through two bolts on either side of the front mudguard, but there was no support on either on the front side of this number plate holder or either at the back, which would actually hold it on its place. So what happened that when I was going through some rough patches of the road, this mount used to tilt downwards and start touching the tire. So that was something I was not comfortable with. So I had taken it off and I tried to find some sort of quick fix to this issue, and so I ran into an web page where was this particular thing was mentioned. It's a LOCTITE 243 solution. So what this does is it tightens your bolt into a permanent fix. Permanent fix in a sense that it wouldn't allow the nut to loosen out, because the issue which was cropping up was that these bolts just lose themselves, and for vibration and for any other reason. But I believe by using this solution that won't happen, and if that won't happen, I believe this holder, this mount will retain its position and will not lower down and hit the front tire of the bike. So let's go ahead with the installation of this number plate holder, and by using this solution, I believe the purpose of this number plate holder will be solved and the problem I was facing would be gone. So hoping the best, let's install it once again. So we are done with the mounting of the number plate mount, and as you can see, it is holding quite beautifully. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. This is your host Akash signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe for awesome contents.